Hey, welcome back to the channel. Now you see those three monitors behind me? Those are all hooked up to a Chromebook, and that's what today's video is going to be about. I'm going to show you how to use your Chromebook in a triple monitor setup. So let's get into this. As usual, I'll have links to all the hardware that I talk about in this video down in the description. I'll also have some information about the different Chromebooks that I showcase in this video as well if you want to check those out. So the Chromebook that we're looking at right now is the Dell Chromebook 14. For the purposes of this video, the ports that are available to us are one USB-A port and two USB Type-C ports. We're going to be utilizing all three of those ports for our triple or quadruple display setup. Let's talk about that USB-C port because that is probably the most common port on Chromebooks these days. Now those USB-C ports give us a few different options. The first and by far the easiest is just get a USB-C to HDMI cable. You want to make sure it has male connectors on both ends. You just plug the USB-C side into your Chromebook, plug the HDMI into your monitor. The Chromebook will detect that display and set up that external display for you. Super simple, and the support is built out of the box. You don't need any drivers or anything like that. Next option is to use that USB-C port again, but this time we're going to use a adapter that provides some more ports. Now you have a few different options for this. You can go for a full-on docking station style adapter where it has multiple ports on it, but you can also get a cheap adapter like this one. It just has two USB Type-A ports on it. It has a pass-through for USB-C that's just for charging though, and then it has an HDMI adapter. So just like the cable, you plug this adapter in and then you plug in the HDMI cable to the adapter, plug the other end of your HDMI cable into your monitor, and it pops up and recognizes it just like it did with that cable. So now we're utilizing two of those ports to drive two monitors. Now we're left with the problem that we've used the two ports that natively output video, so what do? Well, that's where DisplayLink comes in. Fortunately, Chrome OS has had DisplayLink built into the OS for quite a while now. You don't need any drivers or anything. You just get a DisplayLink adapter. Again, I have one linked down below if you want to check it out. You plug that into the USB Type-A port, and then you plug your HDMI cable into that, plug the other end into your monitor. Now this takes a little bit longer. This will take several seconds for it to load those DisplayPort drivers, but once it does, it'll pop up and show up like a display, just like those native ones did. If you want to manage these displays, you can just go into Settings, Devices, and then Displays. You'll see all your displays in there and you can rearrange them. You'll notice that my external monitors show the full 1440p at 60 Hertz. So we're good there. And we also have the ability to use that internal display as well. Now the great thing about this is you do not need an expensive Chromebook in order to be able to do this. This works on budget ones as well. I tried it on my Lenovo Chromebook 11-inch. It works great on there, and you can get that Chromebook for, it normally retails for $200. You can get it for, $150 on sale sometimes, and it works just as well as on that other Dell Chromebook. Last thing I wanted to talk about is something like the Lenovo Chromebook Duet, where that only has one USB-C port that's available for outputting displays. Now, if you just want to output to one display, you can use that, USB-C to HDMI cable that we talked about. If you want to do multiple displays, you're going to need some kind of adapter. Now, if you want to do three displays, you'll probably be best off with one of those docking station style adapters that I talked about. But that little adapter that I showed you earlier, we can actually use that to output to dual displays. So if we plug that adapter in, we can plug the HDMI cable directly into that adapter. And then we still have two USB-A ports, which we can use that DisplayLink adapter that I showed you earlier and just plug that right into one of those USB-A ports, plug the HDMI cable into your monitor, and it pops up. It's both those displays running through that one connection, but it actually works really well. It's been pretty solid. I haven't seen dropouts or anything like that. So I guess that's technically a triple display because you got two external monitors with your internal display. But yeah, for those machines with just the one connection, you need a little bit more hardware, but for the machines with multiple connections, you're pretty solid as far as what your options are for using multiple displays with a Chromebook. Now, I hope you found this useful or informative. If you did, hit that thumbs up. If you really liked it, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I do more videos like this. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one.